Google doesn't rank the fastest website. It ranks the website it understands the fastest. Most dealership websites are invisible to Google's AI. Today, most dealership websites rely on page builders, templates, and disconnected plugins. This creates messy page structures that search engines struggle to read, which leads to slow indexing, weak rankings, and lost buyers. The market is shifting toward AI search. Buyers are asking Google questions, not just searching keywords. Traditional dealership SEO strategies can't keep up. Car180 changes how dealership websites communicate with Google. We structure your site so Google's AI can instantly understand your inventory, your services, and your local market. This allows your pages to be indexed faster and ranked sooner. First, we restructure your website so Google can instantly interpret your content. Then we connect your inventory, location signals, and authority signals into one unified search framework. Finally, we deploy continuous monitoring so your rankings grow while competitors fall behind. Dealerships working with Car180 see faster indexing, stronger local visibility, and higher quality traffic. Not promises, performance. Car180 AutoSEO, built for the way Google searches now.